You'll get the best results from this audio if you give it your undivided attention. Please don't listen to this at times when you need to concentrate and be alert to other matters, such as driving.
There are many different styles of meditation, and the way that we're going to work with it today is a very practical way. And in fact, I will give you a brief demonstration so you can get the benefits for yourself. You can see how it might fit in your life. You can listen to my voice and you can feel the effects on your body and how it feels for you. So don't just take my word for it. Why don't we try a little bit so you can feel the benefits firsthand? Just wherever you're sitting now, making sure you're in a safe place. Just sit wherever you are, finding a comfortable position and just gently letting your eyes close. And just notice now how you're feeling in your body. Just become aware of your shoulders and any tension or tightness that might be there. And as you breathe, just allow the muscles to relax slightly. Just unwinding, noticing where you store the tension, and now just starting to let it go, simply by putting your attention there, continuing to breathe. Just allowing the whole of the area of the shoulders to start to relax. And just notice now your jaw. Just notice any feelings there, tightness, of any tendency to clench or bunch the muscles. And just gently, as you put your attention there, allow the whole area of the jaw to soften and relax. Just starting to release that tension little by little, muscle by muscle, breath by breath. Just take now a few deep breaths, just breathing in and sighing out. And as you let the out-breath go, just feel any tension or tightness being released with that breath. Just breathing in, taking a few deeper breaths, breathing in and sighing out any tension, any tightness, any agitation in the body or the mind. Just letting your body settle back to its natural state of relaxation, softness, openness. And just notice now how you're feeling, just after that little short time. Getting out of your head for a moment and into your body. Just noticing how the body feels. What's happening in your mind. And how you feel generally. Having let go just a little bit, just now. Having broken that cycle just for a moment. And just feel the benefits in your body and your mind. So that's just a taste of how meditation can help you today to lead a better, calmer, happier life.